Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing some press-on nails for myself. So this is the color I'm going to be using. Baby powder is basically white gel polish, and first of all I'm going to start off by prepping the nails using some primer. You can prep the nails by taking off the shine from the surface of the press-on nails using a buffer, but I opted for what is called like a chemical prep, using the primer to take that shine off of the nail, because it creates something sticky and it allows the gel polish to hold on to the nail better. So once we do that for all 5 of the nails, I'm going in with my base color white for about 2 of the nails, because the other nails we're going to be doing a marble design on. The shape and length today I am using is long stiletto. It's not a shape I commonly use for myself, but I wanted to try something different. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Shameen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So what we're going to do, we do a couple coats of the white, we put them to cure in the UV lamp in between each coat, and then once we finish with that, we'll start on our marble design. So to do the marble design, the first thing I'm going to do is do some base coat on the nail, right over the nail, like what you see I'm doing with the thumbnail here. And I am just going to repeat that step for the middle nail and the pinky nail. After that, I'm going to put it to cure, and this is just really to strengthen the nail, that first layer. But this second layer here, we're going in with base coat again, and we're not going to cure it. This is what we're going to use to do the marble design. So the second layer of base coat, without curing, while it's still wet, we're going to take our brush, and we have some of the white polish there, and we're going to do some swirl lines across the nail through the base polish, the base gel polish. So sometimes, in my opinion, I think that the base gel polish acts like a kind of blooming gel. It allows the white polish to spread, and once you manipulate the brush, you just play up with the brush until you get that marble look. It gives you that marble look like that you want, like you're seeing right here. Once you're satisfied with the marble you get in, you put it in the UV lamp to cure again for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once I'm finished with that, I'm just repeating the steps for the other accent nails. If you like content like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and of course you should probably subscribe to this channel so you could keep up with more of my nail videos. So now all of the marble nails have been done, and I can't help but think these nails need a little something more. So I decided to get some gold foil to enhance these nails. So this is loose gold foil, and I bought it from Amazon.com. It's a really big jar, so it wouldn't finish anytime soon. So we're just going to get a little bit of gold foil to decorate these marble nails so that it just doesn't look like plain white nails. So I want the gold foil to be subtle, so I am dividing the gold foil into really tiny pieces so that when they go on the nail, we don't want the first thing we see to be the gold foil. So as small as I could put these, I'm going to do it. So for the plain white nails, I am using the gold foil around the cuticle area to accent the nails, as you can see here. And the good thing is, this gold foil, it sticks to anything that is sticky. So after I applied about 3 to 4 coats of the white gel polish, I didn't put any top coat on it as yet, and because of that, the gold foil was able to stick to the white gel polish. All you have to do is just use a finger and press it down so that it gets flat. For the marble nails, I am putting the gold foil through different areas of the nails because I don't want it to be like the other nails around the cuticle area. So we're just applying it to random spots on the nail, and we're doing the same thing. We're making sure to press it in. So the sticky layer left behind after curing the base gel and the white polish, it also allows the gold foil to stick to the nails as well. Okay, so I have finished applying the gold foil to the nails, and that's it for the set. And I'm just going to go in with some top coat. Usually I would encapsulate the nails, but since this set is just for me, I felt comfortable just going in with a layer of top coat. So the top coat I'm using today is from Beetles, and it is not the typical top coat I use for when I'm doing press-on nails for my clients. It's just a new to me top coat that I wanted to try out, and since these nails were for me, I thought that it was the best time to try it out, and I actually do like it. It's really thick and nice, and it is also a no wipe top coat, so we definitely have like a second top coat to use just in case I run out of Ideal Beauty's top coat. Cure that for 1 minute, and these are how the nails look, a nice marble and gold foil design. I applied the nails, and these are how they look when I went out in the sun to get some photos and videos. I really like this set and how this color combo went together. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.